Okay, children, here the next problem is, if 3 cot A is equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A plus divided by 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Let us find the solution for this one, children. To find the solution for this one, they have given the cot A is equals to what they have given? 3 cot A is equals to 4. So cot A is equals to what? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So this is angle A. So this is adjacent side and it is opposite side. Hypotenuse is not given. So cot is what? Adjacent by opposite. So this is 4 units and this is 3 units. So as we all know, here Pythagorean triplets, by Pythagorean triplets, AC becomes equals to 5. Or AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 square root of 25 is what? 5. So by using Pythagoras result and Pythagorean triplets, I have written AC is equals to 5. So let us check whether it is equals to that one or not by taking LHS. Here LHS is what? 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So this is equals to children's, here 1 minus tan. What is the tan here? Tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent is what? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole square whole divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. Both are tan. So this is equals to 1 minus 3 square is 9 divided by 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. So whole divided by, again it is 1 plus 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Simplify this one again. Here 16 ones are 16, 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 minus 9 is 7, or you can write 16 minus 9 whole divided by 16. Here also 16 plus 9 whole divided by 16. 16 get cancels. So this is equals to, so 16 minus 9 is what? 7. 7 divided by, this is equals to 7 divided by 16 plus 9 is what? 25. So it is 7 by 25. 7 by 25. So let us verify by taking RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. So this is equals to, cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So it is 4 by 5 whole square. 4 by 5 whole square. Sin is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So 3 by 5 whole square. So this is equals to 4 square is 16 divided by 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 divided by 5 square is 25. So this is equals to, LCM is 25. LCM is 25. 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is equals to what? 7 divided by 25. Now compare both LHS and RHS. Both LHSs and RHSs are equal. So hence it is verified. So both are equal. Both are equal, children. So in this way we can prove the result. Okay, children, let us discuss the next problem here. Problem number 9 in the same exercise, exercise 8.1. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B is equals to 90 degree. If tan A is equals to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. And second one is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. To find that one, here tan means opposite by adjacent. So root 3 is opposite, adjacent is 1. So hypotenuse I have calculated here, that is AC is equals to 2. Here first we have to write the result of sin and cos A, sin A and cos A. So sin a, let us find the solution for this one. Solution for the first one, sin a into cos c plus cos a into sin c. Let us find the solution for this one. Sin a is opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is root 3 divided by 2 into cos c. Cos c means now it becomes, this is cos c. Cos c is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is root 3 divided by 2, root 3 divided by 2 plus cos a. Cos a is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos a is this one, so adjacent is this one, hypotenuse that one, 1 by 2 into sin c. Sin c is this one, opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2, so it is 1 by 2. So simplify this one. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 4, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 1 is a 1, 2 2 is a 4. So this is equals to, LCM is 4, so 3 plus 1, so this is equals to 4 by 4, this is equals to 1, that is equals to 1, children. This is the solution for the first one. Let us find the solution for second one. Cos a into cos c minus sin a into sin c. As we already have the result of this, cos a is what? Cos a is 1 by 2 into cos c is what? Cos c is root 3 by 2 minus sin a is what? Sin a is root 3 by 2. Sin c is what? Sin c is 1 by 2. So simplify this one again. Root 3 divided by 4 minus root 3 divided by 4. Both get cancels. This is equals to 0. Hence the proof. So this is how we can solve the problems by using the trigonometric ratios. Thank you, children. Subscribe my channel and like my videos so you can get the next videos notification. Thank you, children.